Hurricane plan is not just plywood and a big generator. For many families, the costly mistake is waiting until the storm is close, then buying random supplies after the shelves are already thin. This is not a guarantee, and it is not a product ranking. Use it as a beginner checklist. Then follow your local officials, local weather alerts, and your own household situation. First, know your risk before you buy. A coastal house, an inland apartment, a family with pets, and a home with older parents may all need a different plan before the same storm. Second, make a simple evacuation plan. Know where you would go, who you would call, what car you would use, and what bag you would grab if officials tell your area to leave. Third, handle water early. A practical water plan may include bottled water, clean jugs, or dedicated water containers. Do it before storm warnings turn shopping into a rush. Fourth, plan food that does not need cooking. Choose familiar, shelf-stable food, a manual can opener if needed, and enough simple meals for the people actually in your home. Fifth, solve light and information. A lantern, headlamp, extra batteries, charged power bank, and a weather radio may help if the power, internet, or cell service becomes unreliable. 6. Protect important papers and small essentials. Put copies, cash, medication reminders, pet information, chargers, and basic first aid items in one place before the weather gets bad. 7th, secure loose outdoor items if you have them. Patio chairs, trash bins, tools, and small decorations can become a problem in high wind. Renters can still check balconies and shared rules. An extra check is power safety. If you already own backup power, read the manual before storm season and keep it away from unsafe indoor setups. This video is not electrical advice, so do not improvise with cords or fuel. Another check is pets, kids, and older adults. A basic kit can still fail if it forgets pet food, glasses, mobility needs, baby supplies, written contacts, or comfort items for a stressful night. Also think about cash and documents. After a major storm, payment systems or printers may not be convenient. A waterproof pouch with copies, contact numbers, and a little cash may help many families stay organized. Finally, do not let the kit become a one-time shopping project. Set a simple reminder to check batteries, charge power banks, rotate food, update papers, and confirm your local alert sources before hurricane season. A common buying mistake is starting with the impressive item first. Big backup power can be useful for some homes, but beginners should cover water, light, phone power, food, alerts, and a go bag first. If you want a simple order, start here. Local alerts, evacuation plan, water, no-cook food, lighting, phone power, first aid, important papers, and one grab-and-go storage spot. Check the description for product categories and official preparedness resources. Start before the storm is close. Keep it realistic.